Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is February the 10th and this is Henry. We're going to be looking at the chart of Apple. This is a 30 minutes time frame, short term here. Now overall, I think the stock still remains in the shorter cycle, still not yet getting any confirmation of any kind. So in other words, there are still various different possibilities in terms of the path, but here is the most aggressive view that we have with regards to Apple. So we are looking to rally higher to finish a 5 ways up. So we finished with 1 with 2, minor degree here, 3 and 4 ended here, and then now looking for further 5 ways up to finish with 5. Now I'm gonna tell you a couple of different possibilities as well as what I think is the more likely scenario, right? So first of all, if we zoom out, focusing on this 1, 2, 3, 4 in the minor degree here, and here is the 4-hour time frame. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if we go and zoom out a little bit, here is the all-time high in Apple not too long ago, last year, and then we got this pretty decent pullback here, and then now starting to rally higher. Now so far what we see so far is only a 3 ways up so far, right? From the low in January 21st, so far we only have 3 waves so far, and we have not taken out the previous all-time high yet, and as of now. So as the alternate view is that since we have not now the bullish view is the most aggressive view in the direction of the trend, and still needs to be confirmed by breaking above this peak to confirm that the next leg higher has started in Apple. All right. However, until that happens, this rally here can be labeled as an ABC, and then we can fill and cool down. That's the alternate for sure, right? So we can get a bigger, what we call a double correction, where this rally fail and then go down. Secondly, though, even without breaking above this peak, if we could somehow break above 3 again from here, okay, that itself already increased the odds and the probability that we will continue to go higher, because break above with 3 will open up a 5 ways up from the lows, and then that will suggest, or that will favor continuation to the upside once it takes out this previous with 3 peak over here. Okay, so that means overall I think again break above with 3 will suggest continuation higher, and that also is supported by the idea this pullback was only in 3 ways. Now again, as long as we can continue to go higher from here, we just don't go down, becoming a 5 ways down or becoming a nest, then I think overall I think the bullish bias still remains to be favored in the direction of the trend. Now again, once we break above with 3 and we show a 5 ways up from the lows, I think that will increase the chance that we will continue to go to the upside. All right, so once we finish 5 ways up, we should be getting 3 pullback to correct the 5 ways, and then continue to go higher again. But I think again another leg higher above with 3 will improve the chance and improve the odds of further upside due to the fast swing up from here. Okay, so shorter cycle, this is where we are looking higher, and as long as we stay above 252. Very short term alternate, this could be W, X, Y, finish with 4 here and go higher again, so that will be another possible alternate. But again, the idea we got a 3 swings down here is very good for the bullish bias, because again, if this is not really bullish, it would have been 1, 2, 3 with extended third leg, 4 and a 5. But the fact that this is only 3 ways so far with no extension on the third leg favors more upside as of now. Okay, so if you want to get more updates here on Apple or any other stock, ETF, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial for the new members. You can use the link in the description. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.